Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to have more fonts in Scratch. So in Scratch we don't have many fonts. Like if I just create a new sprite and choose the text, we only have these many fonts, and these are just Chinese or Japanese, so we have not a lot of fonts. So if you want like more fonts, you can use GIMP, I think, but I use Photoshop. So in Photoshop you can just you have so many fonts. I'm like, boom, there are so many fonts, like you can't even believe there. So first, if you want more fonts, you open a Photoshop, you you create a file, and you take this unlock and then just put this in the bin. So now you select the text tool, and then you just press on it, and now you can choose whatever font you want. So I think for this tutorial I'll use this one, and now you can just write your something. So I'm just gonna write font. Now you can just select this and move it. So I'm just gonna leave it not like now, like that. And now to remove the background, you just select the background and just put this in the bin. Now you have a transparent background with a font. Now you go to File and export it. So export as, and now make sure this format is a PNG and the transparency is set to, like, the transparency is ticked. Now you click export all, and now I'll just choose this folder and name it fonts, save it, and now I'll go to Scratch, create a new project, go to file, you click on choose a sprite, you upload a sprite, new folder, fonts, and there you go. You have a font, and as you can see, it is transparent. You can convert this to vector and move it. Whoops. You can just change the size, you can move it. There's just a lot of things you can do. No. So as you can see, where is it? I think it just so wait a minute. Yeah, there you go, it just went off the screen. So yeah, that's how you add more fonts. So you just need Photoshop, and yeah, that's basically it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.